Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So you've been asking for Instant Pot recipes. You see I'm just jumping right in today. So you've been asking for Instant Pot recipes, and I was just gonna throw together, I'm gonna prep some of my chicken for the week, so I thought I would go ahead and film it. It's probably gonna be a super quick video, but I know that sometimes you just wanna jump on, see what's happening, and then jump right off. So that's what I'm gonna show you today. So just a couple of ingredients. I bought a large pack of chicken when it was on sale. It's just shy of 6 pounds. So what I thought I would do is, since we're going to be having a couple of chicken dishes that require shredded chicken, I thought I'm just going to throw it in the Instant Pot, get it ready to go. Now you could also do this in a crock pot, and I will talk about that once I turn you around. You can do it either way, but it's much quicker in your Instant Pot. So I'm gonna turn you around, show you what I have. Give me a thumbs up if you like these videos, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and let's go. Okay, I think I have you pretty good there in my Instant Pot. You can just see that I've got, like I said, it's almost 6 pounds of chicken layered in here. I've got probably 1.5 to 2 cups of water in here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and toss that in. And then I have some taco seasoning. I told you it was going to be super simple, but this is what I use it for. And pretty much shredded taco meat you can use for just about anything. So I'm just going to do the whole thing seasoned with taco flavoring. You could also just put in like chicken broth or, any type of seasoning that you want that would make this work better. But again, tacos are going to, I'm definitely making tacos out of it, so I'm just doing the whole patch as tacos. So I'm going to sprinkle in anywhere between probably about 1/4 cup, I'd say, as I spill it on the side there. All right, that looks good. And then I'm going to put my top on after I wipe off my lid here. Just want to make sure that that gets sealed properly. All right, got that done. So we're going to pop our top on. And my little thing popped off when I had it in storage, so we're just gonna put that right back on. And there we go. We're gonna make sure that this is on sealing, and I'm going to bring you up, so hold please. So your little knob can be on venting or it can be on sealing. So I've got it on sealing because we want it to come to pressure and we want the pot to seal, more or less, so that it pressure cooks. So we've got that done. All right, I'm gonna lower you back down. Hopefully you can see that really easy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hit our manual button, and I'm gonna back this down to 25 minutes, and I'm just gonna let this go. So you can see that it's on high pressure. And that's it. Super simple. What we're gonna do is we're gonna let this do a natural release for about 10 minutes. And what that means is when the 25-minute cook time finishes, I'm just going to let it sit for an extra 10 minutes, and then I'll let the pressure out, but I'm sure I'll come back and we'll talk about that when we're ready. So that's it. I told you it was going to be a quick video, but this is why I love my Instant Pot, because again, it is super quick. Now, if you were going to do the same thing in your crock pot, I almost forgot to tell you, what you're going to do is you're going to throw your chicken breast in your crock pot. I would spray the liner probably with cooking spray, because it's easier to clean up. So spray your liner with cooking spray or use a crock pot liner. Put your chicken in and just do the same thing. Dump in some water and then put your taco seasoning on. But you're going to cook it for 6 to 8 hours on low. I would say closer to 6, depending on the thickness of your chicken breast. These ones were pretty thick. So test it after 6, see where you're at. But 6 to 8 hours in the crock pot versus 25 minutes in the Instant Pot. So there we go. All right, so I'll come back and we'll show you some more. Okay, so you can see here that our pin, this little pin right here, this little silver thing, is still up, which means the Instant Pot is still sealed and at pressure. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to put this on venting, and what's gonna happen is the steam is gonna release and it's gonna let all the pressure out, and then you're gonna see the pin drop. So once the pin drops, then you know it's safe to open your Instant Pot. Now this will probably take, I don't know, like 20 to 30 seconds. If it takes any longer than that, I will definitely cut this part out. It's so funny because my entire kitchen now smells like tacos. This just like tacos. And this is really going to be a good thing to have on hand. Plus, once you've got it done, you can also freeze it. If you know, I've got 6 pounds of chicken here, so I'm probably going to do that. I'll probably freeze some. Once I pull the top off, I'll show you how easily it shreds, and then we will wrap this up. So still, I think this is going to be a super quick video. I mean, just super quick, which is, it's good. You see, I'm trying to stretch this out. I'm hoping that it just drops here in a second. So, come on, come on, come on. It always does it slower when you want it to do it faster. It takes a while for the pressure to come down, wait for the pin to drop. Once the pin drops, then it's safe to open. And we're almost there. I'd say another 5 seconds that we should definitely be there. My original estimate, did you see it? My original estimate of 20 to 30 seconds, a little bit off there, but that's okay. All right, ready? And there we go. The chicken taco meat is cooked to perfection. And look at this. Try not to burn myself because I know as soon as I slip in here. So that's it. And now let's just say that my timing was off and I didn't fully cook this. What you can do is you can throw your lid back on, bring it back up to pressure for another couple of minutes. This is perfectly cooked. It's just fine. So, but I'm just saying, if that does happen, you're not like kind of dead in the water because you don't know what to do. You just kind of wait until you can get the lid back on. If I tried to put the lid back on right now, it's too hot, so the pin would try to pop back up. So I would wait a couple minutes, then throw it back on. But typically I've had really good luck with using my Instant Pot. So, all right, so I'm going to sign off from here. Hope that you like this video. I hope that you make some chicken in your Instant Pot because, again, we're looking for quick shortcuts. And this is one of the ways that I use my Instant Pot quite often, is to get my chicken done so that it's prepared and ready to go. So with that said, signing off. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you next time.